Hello? Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Yak is back. We can do this. Yeah. I mean, I'm looking. I never checked the math. I done checked it a couple times. I mean, it matches. It says it. It's good enough. Just make sure you bring all the equipment. See it. Okay, I'm at the spot. I see. Why a banana? Why is there always a banana with these videos? Or something stupid? Okay, I just did it. Oh, that hurt my foot. Ouch. Should have did that. This is as good as place as any. Rolling? Yeah, we're good. 3 days. 3 days worth of clothes here. This is supposed to be a 3-day bag. The job is simple. Put items in bag. Water's still fresh. Good. Okay. Fancy socks. White socks. This is supposed to be for 3 days. Dress shirt. Why is the dress shirt over there? Put the dress shirt over here. Cargo pants. Fancy pants. Levi fancy pants. These are actually 541s. They're very comfortable, but they're, you know what? Let's not go into that right now. Let's keep stuffing. It's a hotel ink pen in here. I'm gonna need that. It's always something. Okay. These are workout pants. Shorts. They're workout shorts, not pants. Okay. Regular belt. Fancy belt. And 1, 2, 3 pairs of underwear. You don't need to really go into details on that. A choice of 2 different pair of ties, just in case I want to go one way or the other. So, it's flexibility. Here we go. No, that's not Black Panther, Tawanda, whatever. This is Lion King. T-shirt 1. Regular shirt, long sleeve. Dress shirt, fancy dress shirt. Stuff gotta be able to fit in here. The toes are getting cold. Oh, you gotta love this here. Kick-ass Wolverine T-shirt. Saber tooth on it. Hang on, can you see it? Now you can see it. This is an awesome shirt. If you don't know who those are, you're lame. Okay. Looks like my boss's shirt, plaid shirt. Okay. All this is gonna get crammed in here. So, I also need some shoes and some things to drink and eat. So, as for the shoes, just gonna stuff. Can you just stuff it in there? Nope, that's not gonna work out. Wait a minute. If I had a shorter foot, this would work out. Oh, wait a minute. I got one of those shoes in there. Okay, that's not gonna work out. Just gonna have to compress it. here, here. Come over here. Drop that. Flip it. Okay, come on. This will actually work. These are not the best gloves on the planet. Oh, by the way, I'm using my Motorola cell phone to record this because right now we're currently working outside of the specs of my iPhone. And, I got it caught up in there. There we go. I don't know exactly how cold it is, but it is flipping cold right now. I should probably do stuff in front of you so you can see this. Oh my God. You don't believe how cold it is right now. I'm gonna put something over there on how cold it is. My fingers are starting to give up. So we got one drink in there. I think I can squeeze a Red Bull in here with it. See if I can. Nah, it's not gonna work out. Red Bull, get thrown to the side. This is a 32-ounce bottle of juice. I'm gonna pop this on the other side. Hang on, make sure you can see that too. There we go. 32 ounce of juice. Pop it in over here. And come on. My index finger is toast. Oh my God. Oh, this is not good. This is a bad idea. Okay. Such a bad idea. Oh my God. Such a bad idea. Get in there. Get in there. We're almost there. There is no carry conceal compartment in here, which is okay. Wait a minute, what the hell is this? I would not consider this to be a carry conceal compartment. There is a extra compartment right here, but it is also where it actually has some framing for the back. This is a weird backpack where there's actually a framing going right up in here. Get this way so you can see it. It has a framing up in here, so extra padding. I don't know what kind of material it is, but it is very solid. Would I put my banana in here? No, I would not. Okay. So we managed to put everything in there in a good place except for this and this. And wait a minute. Ooh. I found a place for the banana. I think this is a spot where you would normally put what do you call those things? Oh my God, it's so cold. Ooh, many fingers are going goodbye now right now. Oh my God. No, not the pen. I want the pen for there. Hang on. There we go. Car keys. Get in there. Put the ink pen in there too. Wait, will the Red Bull fit in there? Nope. Not gonna work. Gonna have to go in my pocket. Mission complete. I gotta get out of here. Oh my God. You know what? I got one more thing I can get. the thing you saw laying down is now stuffed in between this layer and that layer. And I'm not a fan of that, but it gives you the option. Oh, ooh, it's unbelievably cold right now. Hang on, I'll flip this up. It is unbelievably cold right now. That is the end of this video here. I hope you enjoy it. Yada, 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 yakety smack. I gotta get out of here.